If we saw an air conditioner as a living being, the compressor will be the heart, and the microchip will be the brain. The Xtreme Save can keep you cool all night long, and it can be as little as 1 kilowatt-hour. How's such a feat possible? For human activities, best performance only occurs when the body is precisely controlled by the brain. Take the first step. Slowly. Steadily. Pull the trigger. Play each of the key. Precisely. In human biology, it's often explained as the alpha brain wave. It can ease the mind and body to be smarter and smoother with less energy loss, especially at the frequency of 12 Hertz, which is also the ultra-low compressor frequency of Xtreme Save, controlled by the Alpha Energy chip technology. When you hit the button, the Xtreme Save can capture plus 0.1 degrees Celsius changes in indoor temperature. Then precisely control the compressor to operate at low speed. The Xtreme Save can run at low frequency of 12 Hertz for a relatively long period of time, and greatly lowers down the compressor vibration at low speed, avoiding energy loss. Thanks to the above, Xtreme Save can bring you to a greater level of energy saving with 12 Hertz low speed and stable operation, reducing power usage to 71% for an 8-hour period. So the maximum efficiency lies in Alpha Energy chip algorithms' microcontrol on the compressor operation. Xtreme Save. Use as little as 1 kilowatt-hour per night. Keep your bills low and the AC on.